Hi everyone. Now we are going to talk about speaking test. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. New words. Cap, ball, ruler, table tennis, racket, bike, banana, TV. Now, this is a woman. She has got brown hair. She is wearing red shirt and purple skirt. She is funny. This is the man. He has got brown hair and he is wearing blue shirt and gray pants. He is holding a book. This is the boy. He has got brown hair too. He is wearing a red t-shirt and green shorts. He is lying on the floor. He is reading a book. This is the baby. The baby is waving to the elephant. This is the girl. She has got blonde hair. She is wearing a pink t-shirt and green pants. She is looking at the elephant. Look, there are many books on the shelf. There are two sofas or there are two armchairs. One of the armchairs is red. One of the armchairs is blue. The books are on the table. The clock is on the wall. The cat is on the table. There are three books next to the boy.